This Premier Realty Grays Harbor property video is presented by Eric Lundeen. Escape to your own private 2.4-acre retreat just a quarter-mile from Roosevelt Beach public access. The gently rolling slopes of this old-growth forest gives the property an incredibly private, quiet, and peaceful feel. The property can be immediately used for recreational purposes, such as camping and picnicking. A small stream with crystal-clear water provides an easy water source for your camping trips. If you're up for a development project, it would make an amazing beachside home sites. The property's proximity to the expanding town of Seabrook and other development projects provides the potential for rapid appreciation of value and development potential for this property. Stop by and feel the serenity this property can bring to your life. For more information,